transforming your high-traffic carpets, stubborn pet stains, and embedded household odors into a freshly revitalized living space. Without paying for expensive professional carpet cleaning services, usually means transitioning to an advanced, steam-powered upright deep cleaner. The BISSELL Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner, Model 3432, redefines deep floor maintenance by combining high-temperature steam technology, specialized pet cleaning modes, and professional-grade extraction power into an intuitive upright machine. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its exclusive HydroSteam technology, paired with specialized triple-action cleaning modes. Instead of struggling with traditional carpet shampooers that only use warm tap water and fail to break down greasy paw prints or dried-in messes, this system applies steam power to lift away sticky, ground-in stains while significantly reducing drying times. Performance and everyday versatility streamline whole home cleanup across wall-to-wall carpets, area rugs, carpeted stairs, and upholstered furniture. Equipped with a dedicated 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool, the machine easily transitions from deep cleaning floors to banishing stubborn pet hair and stains from couches and dog beds. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by included trial-sized professional cleaning formulas, an easy empty dirty water tank, and specialized brush rolls designed to lift pet debris without getting hopelessly tangled. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a heavy-duty upright deep cleaner that utilizes water, cleaning solution, and steam generation, it has a substantial physical weight when tanks are filled, requiring a bit of muscle to maneuver up and down stairs. Additionally, you will want to give your carpets a few hours to completely air dry following a deep cleaning session before allowing heavy foot traffic back onto the room. So who is this really for? This pet-focused steam carpet cleaner is an absolute home run for pet owners, families with active kids, and homeowners battling high-traffic stains who want professional-grade carpet extraction results at home. If you only have bare hardwood or tile floors throughout your home with zero carpeted areas, a specialized wet-dry floor mop will better match your cleaning needs. Is it worth the money? If you value advanced HydroSteam stain-melting technology, dedicated pet upholstery attachments, professional-grade extraction power, and the ability to completely revitalize dirty carpets on your own schedule, it is a premier, money-saving investment for a spotless home.